Okay, so what I've got is one of these, and here's my tap. This thing basically goes into there, tightens up, actually loosens first, goes in like so, and away we go. All right. Now basically, this should be just the right size. Basically threads on the hole. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, threading oil with it. A little bit of pressure down, and it should start to bite pretty fast. Okay. When it starts to bite, the technique is basically to rotate it and back it off. You'll actually feel it's going to cut, and then you feel it release the shards of metal as you back it up. So what I'm going to start doing is working down here. You'll see I'm basically going to tap all the way down until the threads disappear down into it. That'll be almost 3/4 of an inch into the pummel. But you see, it's pretty easy. Now the deal with these things is these are brand spanking new. And you have to make sure that you always use the correct drill bit for them. If you get a drill bit that's a little bit too big, then the threads are not going as deep, and it's not as strong a connection there. And if you get it too small, then the actual you can actually snap these off. They're relatively fragile. You have to be a little bit careful with them. That's why you see I'm backing them off here. I usually find that, especially as they get older, if you push on them and you feel like they're resisting you a lot, you might want to get a fresh one. They do have a finite life. The deal is if you snap one of these off inside of it, basically you might as well just throw the piece away because you can't tap it out. The actual tap itself is actually made out of a high carbon steel, and trying to get that out of here is not worth it. It's better just to cut a new piece. Okay. Oops, I forgot. You should add a lot of oil to this as you go along, which I have not done, which is dumb, but there we go. I'm basically doing about a cut. It's about a half a turn, release it. You'll feel it release when you pull it back. Release, release. I'm just about there. Okay. Okay, when I get all done, I'll spin this sucker out. Now I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to thread from the other side. When I get all finished I'm actually going to use my air hose. I'm going to blow the debris and the oil out from the inside. And then I should be able to thread it. Come on. You can do it. There we are.